Friday, 23rd of January. Big ice storm is supposed to start tonight around 11 or 12 at night. Commercial tire shop here. I went to get on a backhoe yesterday and my right rear was completely flat. I just aired it up and I've been telling myself, well, that's okay, just air it up when you need it. Well, that's fine when it's not icy cold and wet and raining. So anyway, I went down to Southern Tire Mart and they replaced the left rear tire 3 years ago when I first bought the machine. Right rear tire, I located all the leaks. They're all sidewall leaks, a bunch of pinholes. Anyway, wrote down the information for the left rear to see if I could get a matching tire for the right rear, and they had one in stock. I said, how much is it going to cost me? And I was expecting $2,000. $800 installed and hauled off the old one. I said, oh hell yeah. Seems like a lot. That tire will outlast me by probably 20 years. And no more dealing with flats every time I want to get on the backhoe and do something. So it's all good. $800 for a 12-ply R4 lug backhoe tire to me is not a bad price. I don't like putting tubes in tires, especially off-road equipment tires, because you'll get water going in around the stem of the tube and rust out the rim. That's just me. So anyway, these men are going to do their work and my back is going to thank them. That's all for this one. Thank you.